What's up, everybody? I'm Dr. Josh Agoda. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your squat, especially if your knee or one side caves in a little bit. So a lot of times when people are doing squats or whatever, or lunges, what happens is that as they go down, one of the knees will cave in a little bit. And this can happen here or here at any point, but either way, as the knee caves in, you tend to have a couple problems. It could be an ankle issue, or it can be, and it's more than likely, that you need to strengthen the glute medius or the glute muscles here. And so what we like to do, or what I like to do to help correct this problem, is just use a band. And I know this is a yellow band and it's really light resistance. And if you're squatting, you probably can easily do this. But you gotta realize that this band is not there for you to actually fight against. It's actually for a biofeedback mechanism, and it's for you to actually get in that position without actually with awareness and knowing that you're actually coming into that position. So what we'll do is we'll step in here and we're going to put the band at or slightly above the knee. And what I like to do is, if I can, I'll splay it out just a little bit because it will wrinkle up a little bit. So we'll get into our squat position. We'll kind of come down into this position, and one side, like I just said, will collapse, right? So we'll be in this bad position. My head is down now, just so I can kind of, show you a little bit, but this will kind of cave in. And so what we need to do is get into that squat. It'll cave in, and then I want you to push back against it. Hold that, and then release into a deeper squat. Come back up. As this will fade back in, you'll push out and then come back up. So you're kind of going through this series where you're going down into the squat, coming up, and then going back up. Okay, so you're kind of going through a passive range, whereas you're kind of like relaxed here. You're going through an active range where you're actively fighting that knee caving in, and then you're coming back up into a squat. So this kind of gets you through that whole, all these movements from strengthening, which is putting this out, the rest phase where you're standing, and the passive mobility phase where you're coming in. So you kind of get a little bit of everything with this, which is why I like this. So again, we'll come in, squat, this will cave in, hold that, hold that, hold that, hold that for a few seconds, probably about 5 seconds, release, come back in, hold that position, and then come back up. Come back in, fight, hold that for about 5 seconds, release, come back, hold it, and then come back up. So guys, again, remember, what we're just trying to do with this band is not necessarily do a muscle strengthening right here like what we do with these types of movements. It's more about feedback and knowing that, oh wait, there's a band that's gonna pull our knees in, so we're just gonna fight it open, all right? So guys, what an exercise. This is great feedback, and all you need is something very light. And you don't even need a partner, you don't need somebody pulling on the band. I've seen that as well, and that's another option if you have a guy or girl friend at the gym who sees you caving in this way, you'll have them just hold a band and pull them that way. So another quick little tip advice there, all right? So guys, really great exercise, especially if your feet are caving in or your knees are caving in while you squat, all right guys? I'm Dr. Josh Agoda. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys for the next episode. Bye.